it's Megan here, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing my lamp. I'm going to share everything I love about this floor lamp and what you might want to know before purchasing it. So let's get into it. First of all, absolutely love the look of the lamp. I just think the kind of rope braided features on the shades are really unique and just give a more elevated look to your average floor lamp. So big fan of that. One thing I really love is it is a twist turn switch to operate the lamp, and it actually has a dimming feature, which is really nice if this is your primary lighting in a room like it is in mine. So if you want more of a nighttime light, you could do that, or all the way bright if you need more lighting while you're taking work calls or whatever it is you need, and then just one flip to get it all the way off. So really like the functionality of it outside of the design itself. Now the cord that it comes with is nice and long, so if you do need to plug it in far away, you have a solid amount of cord to work with, which is just really nice. And it's also just really sturdy. The base is really heavy, so great quality material. Even though you have kind of these more dangle lights, I'm just really happy with the quality of the material and the sturdiness of the lamp itself. It doesn't have like a lot of wobble to it. Everything just screwed in really nice and tight. So big fan of that. Another thing that I really loved is it actually came with the 3 light bulbs. So I didn't even have to worry about that on setup. Everything I needed was here, and it took me less than 5 minutes to get all set up and lit up. Overall, super happy with the quality of this floor lamp. I think it just looks really unique in its design, and I love that it does give us that dimming element as well, giving you lots of options for lighting in your room. So I hope you enjoy yours as well.